Hello, everyone. If you can hear me.
Hello, hello. Can you
Names, please.
All right, give me 1 second.
Gary, do you have a mic on? Gary, can you hear me? Okay. All right. I want his script. Marco. Oh, do it upside down. That looks like a lot more fun.
Oh, is that upside down?
No, it was. I'm just teasing you. Sorry.
Oh.
You're fine. And there's Brett. All right. Well, I think we've got this all straightened around now. I think another two. So I'm going to start the webinar like this. I don't know what you guys are seeing on you right now, but we are in 6-up gallery mode. I'm going to do a brief introduction, and I'm going to introduce 3 guest speakers while everyone is on the screen. So I'll interact with you on the screen as is. So I'll introduce Jay and Kim. You want me to get it for you?
Oh, I just did. Do I have to log in again?
Nope. I got it. Okay. It's already done. You're set. And Kimberly, I'll Jay and everyone else will be off the screen at that time. Hearing none. Brett. Concentrate real hard in Zoom sessions and it comes off looking mean. So let me make sure there's no more I know of. All right. So we are actually still already recording, but we will go live and here we go. Good day, everyone. We welcome you all to GLAXO Systems' first webinar. Thank you for joining us. This is the future of finance, and my name is Anthony. I'm an investor and also interested in earning passive income, and I'm happy to be your host in today's webinar. And for the next 45 minutes or so, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency and how the average person can earn stable, passive income by investing in crypto as one of the smartest moves to fulfill your financial goals. Today we have 3 featured guest speakers, and I'm delighted to be joined by CEO of GLAXO System, Jay LARSON NOSSE. We are happy to have you here. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm happy to be here. Thank you so much, Anthony. Doing well today. I'm looking forward to this webinar and saying hi to everyone.
Well, great. We're welcome. Thank you very much. You're welcome. And we are excited to have you on to hear what you have to say. We also have a crypto expert with us here today, Kimberly, who will be telling us about her experience with cryptocurrency so far. How are you doing, Kimberly?
I'm doing absolutely great. Thank you so much for having me and for the warm welcome.
You're welcome. And last but not least, we also have here with us Marco, and he's one of the top GLAXO System investors. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Anthony. I'm looking forward to talking about my experiences.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, with that, let's get started. There are more than 900 people that signed up for this webinar, so there's clearly a lot of excitement on what we're doing, a lot of interest, and a lot of things to learn today. With today's new normal, we have uncertain times, and the need to have multiple streams of revenue is more essential than ever. This is what passive income means. It's good to have multiple streams of income. It doesn't matter if you're a student, if you're employed, or an employer. There's nothing more gratifying than waking up to passive income every day. Now, as cryptocurrency becomes more and more mainstream, one of the newest, fastest growing segments of crypto is the DeFi space, or decentralized finance. And this means you can earn passive income by investing your crypto assets such as Bitcoin, ETH, and other cryptocurrencies. So without wasting any more of your time, let's hear from one of our crypto experts that is here to us today. And Kimberly, I'm going to bring you onto the screen. Tell us a little bit about your crypto experience so far.
All right. Thank you so very much, Anthony. So at this point, I believe almost everyone knows a little bit about cryptocurrency. So I don't really need to explain too much, but I'll get started. So as you may know, cryptocurrency is digital assets used in form of currency for exchange, mostly online. Examples that are very common include Bitcoin, ETH, and others. Cryptocurrencies work using technology called blockchain. And blockchain itself is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manage and record transactions. So part of the appeal of this technology is its security. And like I already said, a lot of us already know about it because it's one of the top trends in the last 2 years, and it just keeps growing.
Well, what's your take about investing in crypto? Would you advise anyone to invest their crypto in a reliable company, or just have them stored in a wallet for future?
Of course, that's a wonderful question. So for me, it's very important because we really have to know the difference between real Bitcoin advice and scammers, because there are plenty of sharks waiting to take your money. So some people that offer crypto trading advice may truly not be looking out for your best interest. So it's important to not make the mistakes that others have made and really learn from this. And to do this, it's important to set limits on how much you invest in digital currency. And of course, it's important to avoid trading with more money that you can afford to lose. It's just not a good idea to put too much money into a single cryptocurrency. So we have to spread our money along multiple digital currencies, just like we would with equities and shares. And as many of you probably already know too, prices fluctuate rapidly from day to day, and inexperienced traders are frequently fooled into panic selling when prices are low. And this leaves the money in the crypto market for months or years at a time, and this could offer the best rewards. But of course, it's important to also think about investing in a reliable company that has the knowledge too. And cryptocurrency is one of the most volatile investments in the world right now. So if you are a trader, you can have a 30% drawn down within just a day, and then a 50% increase the next one. That's not something that happens frequently, at least not with such extreme numbers, but it does happen. And it's important to not panic. It's important to just keep the investment and not touch it. Everything will turn out well, and it's just patience. What we have to do is find a reliable investment platform. And of course, it must be honest and have low risk offers. And what I recommend, and from my personal experience, the past 2 years, the GLAXO system investment platform has been growing and doing great. So this is what I recommend to crypto investors, but mostly to newbies that don't have much experience about crypto trading and are just, wanting to get started.
Oh, thank you. That was a lot of information. Thanks, Kimberly, for explaining that in detail.
Of course.
Man, in
Thank
my own
you.
opinion, cryptocurrency, you're welcome. The cryptocurrency industry is one of the fastest growing in the world, growing from about 500 billion to almost $3 trillion last year alone. And that's why serious investors cannot ignore opportunities to take part in investing in the industry for a great reward. And again, thank you, Kim. Well, Jay, are you still out there? Are you with us?
Absolutely. It couldn't be anywhere else right now.
All right. Well, thank you for staying with us. I've got some questions here regarding Glaxo system. So if you would kind of wade in, tell us about the system, what the goals of the
Yeah.
company are, and when was the company created?
Absolutely. Yeah, thanks so much for the questions. As you heard from the beginning, I'm Jay LARSON of GLAXO Systems. And again, really so happy to be here in this webinar. And of course, thanks to everyone that managed to make this all happen for us this evening, and to everyone who has taken their time out to be with us. We really do appreciate it. Thank you. So quickly, yeah, GLAXO System is a wealth management platform for crypto investors. Giving the average person the opportunity to earn passive income at pretty much zero risk. And whether you, as Kimberly said, a crypto newbie or not, GLAXO System, it offers a steady daily, weekly, and monthly return on your investment with absolutely no risk of losing your assets. GLAXO System, we're a team of professional expert traders who have been around the market for a really long time. And we ensure the safety of our clients and investors' funds as one of our top priorities. You see, our mission is to provide long-lasting royalty rewards to all our investors. We started the company about 2 years ago, July 30th, 2020, and it was incorporated on the 21st of May, just last year, 2021. And we are a step beyond all other regular cryptocurrency platforms, as we give you 100% guarantee of your investment, and we allow you to spend your crypto freely without worrying about all those restrictions that come with digital currency. And something we're really proud of, we have this amazing referral program that allows you to earn passive rewards by inviting other active investors. And I mean, please feel free to go and visit our website for more of our frequently asked questions or more information about the company. You can also go and reach out to us on our Facebook page as well if you have any other questions too.
Great. Thanks for all that, Jay. What is the future of GLAXO System? And tell us again about that guarantee you give investors of their assets and ROI.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Anthony. Well, since we started GLAXO Systems, 2022 has indeed been one of our best years so far. We've also achieved a huge global impact, and we have made great progress so far. We certainly have, as Kimberly said earlier, grown really, really well and really quickly too. Of course, there is still a lot of work ahead. We understand that. And we reduced our risk of losing assets. It did result in a reduction in return on investment. And I'm aware that this might be, well, unavoidable for some investors, but that's really the best that we can do to maintain the return on investment. And our insurance policy allows your assets to be partially insured, not all of it, but partially insured. We are also working on something quite exciting, the GLAXO Instant Crypto Loan, which allows you to borrow up to 70% of your assets and still earn from GLAXO. And this is one of the most interesting things that every crypto investor is looking out for. And we are working hard not to lose sight of our priority, which is to be a strong and financially sustainable company, putting the customer at the heart of everything that we do. Our goal is to create long-lasting royalty rewards to all our investors. And so when we founded GLAXO System, we really did have this clear mission in mind, is to make investing easy and make investing accessible for everyone, and to create those long-lasting royalty rewards to all investors. And in the next 5 years, I mean, we're going to be continuing to work hard to enhance our services. We're going to be adding new features, but again, always retaining that essential simplicity that our investors have come to expect. And again, please feel free to go visit our Facebook page, ask us our questions, and of course, visit our website as well.
Great stuff. Thanks so much, Jay. I really
Thanks, Anthony.
appreciate your information. You have got to be one of the most open and transparent CEOs I've seen in this industry. So thank you yet again for the
Appreciate the
information.
compliment. Thank you.
You're welcome. So guys, with GLAXO system, the average person can now take advantage of the DeFi industry, earning returns up to 3.45% per day through a DeFi contract at zero risk. Now, here are some of the amazing benefits of this project. First, you can earn from 1.25% to 3.45% per day. Now, that's Monday through Sunday with dollars or greater. And this allows you to be in profits from Monday to Sunday. And second, you earn 1.25% per day with a minimum of $100 and a maximum of $4,999 deposit. Third, the company is registered in the United Kingdom and has been active since 2020. 4, the owner CEO is very active on both Telegram and social media, also doing frequent Facebook Live and YouTube Live calls for members. 5th, payment or withdrawal requests are processed within hours and back in your wallet. 6th, you can fund with multiple types of crypto coin. And finally, we have a powerful referral program, which is optional. So this referral program allows you to earn a 10% bonus on every single referral. This is a true ground floor opportunity, guys. It's indeed a life-changing opportunity for all crypto investors. Now, I've seen some other asset management companies, but I've never seen anything like this. This indeed is amazing. Well, Marco, I hope you're still with us out there. Sorry for delaying, but we wanted to get you in here also. And we have seen a lot of your videos trending on social media where you're talking about the GLAXO system program. We understand that you've been investing in the company for a while now. So can you please tell us about your experience so far and what's your thoughts about the company so far?
Thank you, Anthony, and thanks everyone for being here. So hello, everyone. Hello to all the GLAXO investors. Hope everyone's doing amazing today. It's really a privilege to be here today, and thanks for this opportunity. So what has my experience been like? You know, like I always say, there's nothing so gratifying as you wake up every day, you get up and you see that passive income. And watching your investment grow every day, withdrawing your profit anytime you want is exciting. It is literally the best feeling in the world. From my experience so far, I've found that GLAXO Systems has been one of the best and most reliable investment companies I've used, and I've looked at a lot of them. And the most exciting thing about this is the feeling that your assets are 100% safe and they're also guaranteed. See, in 2020, I was interested in Forex and crypto market trading, but I was actually pretty new to this whole thing. I was new to cryptocurrency and I still really had no idea how it all worked. I was trying to figure it out. And I tried some companies recently giving me some trading signals. I tried, your traditional, just, stocks and future and all that, but they all turned out to be nothing but, unfortunately, big losses. I didn't really make anything. And I was talking to one of my friends who introduced me to GLAXO, and I'm honestly forever grateful that they did talk to me, because with the GLAXO system, I don't need to know how to trade cryptocurrency. I didn't have to try and figure out everything or look at signals and charts all day. All I did was invest my crypto assets, earn my daily profits. You actually earn profits investing your crypto, and also you earn when you refer others. So when I started doing pretty well, I referred a lot of my friends and other people I knew, and that helped a lot. And the company's been active, paying since 2020. I took a look into that. They're growing fast because of the low risk involved, because it's so easy to get started. And over the last 2 years, GLAXO has changed my life. It's changed my friends, my family's lives for good. And after I posted the video talking about GLAXO system on my YouTube channel, Passive Crypto Guide, more than 185 people invested using that referral link. So powerful. All of them came back thanking me for the opportunity, which is something I was really happy with. So the withdrawal's been fast. The customer service has been great. They've been very professional. It's been a supportive team. So from my experience so far, this is one of the best most reliable, honest investment companies ever. So thank you so much, Jay, Larson, for doing just an amazing job. And thank you, Anthony, as well.
You're welcome. Thanks, Marco, for sharing that experience. With your experience and others we've heard, there's no doubt that GLAXO system is indeed a ground floor opportunity for investors. So Marco, yet again, thank you so much for that. Today, from what we have heard so far, GLAXO system is giving investors, institutions, and corporations an opportunity to invest into the world of digital assets and create higher yields income from 1.2% to 3% daily at zero risk. The opportunity here is massive, and you're all qualified to join. The goal is simple: to create long-lasting, stable, passive income to all investors. For new users who are asking how to get started, getting started is really easy. Go to our website, glaxo.io. That's glaxo.io, or GLAXO System, glaxosystem.com, and go to the registration page and get started by signing up. Now, another exciting thing is the 5% bonus on your first deposit as a new member. This means that anyone who signs up during this period gets 5% bonus on your first time deposit. And I know we've learned a lot today. And for those of you who have questions, we don't have all the time to answer them, unfortunately. So you can send your questions as text messages and on WhatsApp at 1-847-260-8046. That's 1-847-260-8046. And Brett, I'm going to bring you in here just for a moment before we go. I'd like to ask a question of our friend. Have you anything else to tell us about the GLAXO system?
Well, thank you for having me. I really appreciate everyone's time, and this was a great meeting to learn even a little bit more. Similar to Marco, a lot of my friends and people that I'm close to kind of told me about GLAXO system, and they've been earning pretty well from the company, and now they're trying to get me to sign up to get their referral bonuses. So today was great. It provided me with a lot of clarity and info that I'm thinking it's time for me to jump into this after the webinar and get my first time deposit bonus. And I look forward to getting the ball rolling, honestly.
Cool. Well, we really appreciate you being here, and thank you for that. So this is going to bring us to the end of today's webinar, and thank you everyone that was here. Thanks to Jay, the CEO, Jay Larson NOSSE. Thank you also to Kimberly for her expertise and Marco for his contribution, and all of you for making this a success. So thanks to you all. Thanks to all the participants, and you all can follow up on GLAXO System social media platforms for updates, anything related. And until some other time, we will say goodbye for now. Have a wonderful day. Thank you all so very much.
Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
All right.